So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Wi-Fi connection issues on your Samsung phone. So first of all, open Settings app on your phone. Now here tap on Connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. To fix Wi-Fi issue, turn off Wi-Fi. Now wait for a few seconds and then turn it on. And this will fix Wi-Fi connection issues. If the issue is still not fixed, then long press power button and volume down button together like this. Now here tap on restart and then tap on restart again to restart your phone. Now once you do this, the issue will be fixed. If not, then go back to the settings. Now scroll down. Now here tap on general management. Now scroll down. Tap on reset. Now scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on reset settings and this will reset Wi-Fi settings. And once you do this, this will fix Wi-Fi issues on your Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.